Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can fix error code 403 in Roblox. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Roblox application on your PC and make sure you are logged in with your account. Now press Windows plus R and type %10% to open up your cache folder. Now simply select all of the files and folders and just delete them. After that, just close it and log out from your Roblox app on your PC. Now again, just log in with your account that is not banned or doesn't have any strike on it. After logging back in, your problem will be solved. I'll show you by opening one of the games. And you can see that it starts without any error. And that's how you can fix error code 403 in Roblox. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.